So we're gonna weld this up. That rivet hole. That's all it is pretty much a plug weld. We're welding the rivet on there. I still gotta clean the rust off the rivet. I already drilled this out better. That was one of the problems why I didn't do it in the first place, because I didn't have a bit. Broke the last one. And I think I got my welder redialed in from the ghosts and we're fucking with it. So I turned the speed up to, it was 17 for welding thick steel. I was having issues with this, I believe. I'm gonna turn that back to 17.5 and then turn this down probably to 5. This had a bunch of shit built up in it. I believe that was giving me some hell, but I put the new tips in it, like I said, and you guys are going to be sitting on an overload leaf that's magnetized to a leaf spring clamp. All we got to do is weld that on. I might even do my door hinge piece that broke. See, I did those. This didn't have clamps on, if you remember. I made that, and that one was from my factory 56 that I welded on, and they're doing very well. Other than this one's way more beefier than that one over there. So, and that is some serious steel. I think that's a quarter, I think. So, I'm gonna set you up. Had somewhat everything set up, so hopefully it don't leg out, and hopefully it ain't fucking looking like shit. Literally gonna have to get down and check to see if that's gonna be facing. So I'm gonna smoke a cigarette, wait a couple minutes, see if anybody pops in. I already got to buy new welding gloves. Notice that. See that? This right here, starting to burn the stitching out of it. So probably got today's use out of them, and then they're retired, like the last pair. Are we facing that? So. Pretty sure you can see what I'm doing here. There's just light rust on it because I did clean it up 2 weeks ago, and I was about to do it, and then I welding tips and everything else. So I believe it's, yeah, it's showing what I'm gonna do. So here. Okay. So if you watch these, you're not gonna know, and this is just the Easter egg of watching my stuff, is if you know that I don't have a front drive shaft because it needs to be lengthened, I just ordered the stub shaft. A Y2K extended stub shaft for my front drive shaft. And I might have to order the end piece because it might have to be 10 inches long, and it's a very long slip. You're going to see it come in the mail pretty quick here. Not going to tell anybody until the day I receive it, but if you watch these, you would know now that I have that ordered, because that's how I'm going to start doing things. I'm not going to tell anybody in advance. It's to get people to watch these. we're almost ready to rock here. Hope that I cleaned up that end for ground. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues, but I might have to clean it up even better with the grinding wheel, or the buffing wheel, I should say. Polishing wheel. That wheel's on the verge of being retired too, so this is kind of a pain in the ass, but it's not as bad. Yeah, these gloves are fucked. I'm surprised I ain't feeling those. Pretty good. It just, I get a little too, it gets so hot where how I hold my gun that it literally burns its way through it. So I hold it like you're holding a pistol. That's the way I hold this fucking brake line. Parking brake cable that's been pissing me off. It's ready to come off there, literally. Almost ready. That's how I built the other one on the other side. And then, since it's so thick, I'm going to score it on each side, just scoring. Then on this side, and then I'm going to use hammer and this big clamp to fold it around it. I ain't got torches. I do have a torch, but the fucker don't work correctly. I bought it and it doesn't seem like it's even go right. No matter what you try to it. It's just to heat things up. So when I bought that, because I had the small impact that I was using, it's like, instead of just buying another tank of torch and heating bolts, it's like, I'm just gonna just go ahead and buy the commercial DeWalt. And it worked. Alright, we're ready to go. Yeah. So hopefully I don't melt the phone, because I'm probably going to sit behind it. So oh, she's working good. I don't think we need it on there because I don't want to weld it to it anymore. It's on there. Definitely. She's working good now. And that's all I'm doing is re-welding an end on it. You can't see the other side, literally. A little too far away. I think it's good already, but no, I still got one little side. I'm like far away from it, if you understand. Okay, I'm gonna call it good. Literally, shitty as it is. but it just needed to hold on to it. That's all. Because it's going to be clamped on the top. And I'll clean up all the burrs and everything that's on it. The splash, I should say, not the burrs. Clean up all the splash that's on it, and then I'll clean all that off when I hit it with the grinder. Yeah, I welded it so hard that it literally flexed it and bent it. So, see the tweak on it? It's starting to tweak down. So the setting is does it cut out? Talking and talking and talking. Are we gonna be facing what I'm looking at? Yeah. So if you didn't catch the welding, this is hot. I got a score here, 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 and here. And then I'll be able to fold it over, then drill it. Okay, I needed 2 overloads. There's a point to it. How the fuck do you get people to watch these? Christ, 1,000 people. And I mean, you get sickening doing shorts all the fucking time. There. Okay. You're sitting on an overload, so I literally gotta set you on the ground because it's a technical trick that's gonna happen here. There's no leverage on that spot. That might be just enough. So this, set it down, overload. That's what's nice about having overload. Okay, you set the lift lock, and it's your standard 3-inch lift lock. And then you, it's kind of a pain in the ass to do, but okay. C-clamp, and you use that, and it'll literally pull those tight to the leaf spring square. Unless I gotta bang on it a couple more times. And the lift block is what spaces it down there. They should actually sell this as a tool. You could try to clamp it, you know what I mean, with these, it's not going to work as well as you'd think it would. So, if you had a person, I'm going to actually bend them up a little bit more. Get the fuck off me. Got a fly on, or a butterfly on me. That side gave me hell on the other side too, the same way. Okay, we just fold the, we're gonna fold the one side completely over. It needs to just go a couple inches. Still. I'm going to try to bend it with this. Just got to get it to move. That's what I'm going to do. That's not going to work. So, plan B, plan C. Never got to use A. Good old adjustable wrench. Yeah. Boat air taught me that trick. That should be more than enough, I think. No. So the whole purpose of the overloads are to hold it flat, because the one end pivots. If you guys are even facing what I'm looking at. Don't need to be sitting here looking at me, you know what I mean? Watching me do things and not seeing what I'm doing. Just enough. Just enough. Now, it was a pain in the ass to line these all up. The other side when I did it. Plus, I decided to throw welds on the one overload. Yeah. The other day when it started raining on me. We need to go in more with the lift block. If I had one more hand would help. Okay, we snug this just a little bit. The dirt blowing around in my face. Slowly pushing it. The reason why I'm doing this like this is because it's going to evenly shove it up together so one's not all crooked. That's why I screwed it too, to ensure that it did go even. Okay, we're starting to flex here. It's getting all kitty wampus on me, so I'm going to have to back up and reshape this around a little bit. It's a big off-road event coming up on this weekend that I wanted to go to, but I got ripped off by my dipshit brother. And music and everything, really good music. I literally have to realize. Actually, I might be able to do it with one. I might have to go get the wife and have her hold one. Jesus. Drilling it out's a whole different story. Literally. A lot of banging gonna be happening pretty quick here. No, I definitely got to get the other one on it. Okay. All that weld on there is kind of pissing me off. Not light by any means. I just have to put the other one on the other side, right? That's just to hold it together. I literally broke it. Not what I welded on. End cap. It just split right here. See? Piece of shit fucking tools. Those are good ones too. think we need the overloads anymore. Banging on it. That's what's gonna happen. Starting to flex that one too. That side's pretty flat. I'll try the overloads one more time, but this time without the block. This time with the one on the weld on the opposite side. I'm gonna crush it down now. You can drill it out. Use the broken one because I might have to use the big one too. All at the same time. Okay. Drill bits. You gotta find the bolt for it too. Alrighty. Need to find the sleeve for it too. Okay. You cheap ass bits, that's what I bought for. So I can't get to my bits right now. So I fixed my door. Really? No fucking views? Why? Okay. Not too bad. Can't complain. All right, doing pretty good so far. Cheap ass Tractor Supply bits, or Harbor Freight, I should say. Never mind, that hurt my fucking shoulder. You cocksucking motherfucker. Snapped that fucker right off, and half of it hit my fucking shoulder. At least it busted apart fucking easy. Alright. We reused the broken bit, right? Broken bit works. We'll skip over one size. Literally, since I have to keep going and going and going. I guess we go back. What happened into my impact? Is that from that drill bit? We'll go back one size. Started drilling out things. I got a big old chunk of fucking metal stuck in my arm. My finger, not my arm. Now we can go back to that bit. I literally got to grab these sharp pieces like that and chuck them. Yeah, we had that bit in there. Do we have that bit in it? That's the bit we needed to do. Hit it twice. Okay. Where's the damn bolt? Okay, this is that, right? This. Alright. It's the right size. One side drill out. I literally have to drill it out from this side. I don't know if this keeps turning or what. Okay. Gotta bang on it a little bit. I don't know who's dog is getting fed the nastiest dog food you can get, but it ain't mine, and you can smell it from here. Literally Smells like fucking 100 tons of fucking dog shit. Why is there a drill with an impact with no battery? I don't even remember bringing this over here. It doesn't make any fucking sense. With no battery in it. There. Actually, I need to check that bit before I even do that final. That's exactly where I wanted it. Okay. All because I don't want to take a tire off. I can't. Can, but I can't. Can't even get to my jack right now. Shut the fuck up. Alright. Oh, that ain't gonna do me no good. That's the one with the tip broke off it. Oh, never mind. It's the other one. I don't know what it is with that size, but every bit that I buy that's that size breaks the tip off it. No, it's got teeth. Now I literally gotta squeeze it together with this one. There it is. So I did the other side. It's literally that easy. I don't know why people don't do it themselves. They're so scared. Oh, I'm just gonna buy some aftermarkets, brand new, and throw lift blocks under some. I'm not a fan of lift blocks. If this lift blocks are a tool to me, it's not for lifting a truck. It's for a spacer or a phone prop, or that's what all they're good for. This crescent works better. No joke, that crescent wrench works better than that lift block. Why? Because you can't do this with a box and wrench. We're doing right here. People want to hate on the crescent wrench. When you hate on the crescent wrench, you don't realize that American-made ships, most of the tools that are on them have a crescent wrench. Because it's the most universal tool you can use when you're in a fucking hurry. You don't have time to go look for a fucking 10mm fucking wrench. Like, when the ship is sinking, I don't have time to go run and get a goddamn 10mm fucking wrench, you know. Christ. So that's that. Now we gotta bang on it. Literally gotta pick up all these bits before I lose them. That's bullshit. I used every bit, and 3/16. That's what it says. Is there even such a thing as a 3/16? Yeah, 3/16 decided to snap up and hit me in the shoulder like I got hit with a fucking 22. All the other ones worked very well. Obviously, you've seen me use them all. I was going to try to not use all of them. But the 3/8 one is the only one I needed. And they didn't want to sell an individual bit. So I had to buy a whole set. And I was like, I might as well just get the one for the impact instead of making one working my impact. Like I normally do. So, all screw gun makers, you see this right here? If you can make an adapter that fits in here to fit sockets on it, why can't you make an adapter that fits, you know what I mean, the end of a drill, an actual drill on it? I don't know. You know what I mean? Just a little bit of advice to help you make some money. But if I could pop something in the end of this where I can tighten a different bit on it, you know what I mean? Why I wouldn't have to buy another drill. I could just use this impact, and you could just make it so the impact turns on and off, so you can have a drill too, and instead of just having just an impact and just a screw gun. So that's done. Okay. Okay, I guess we weren't done welding. Look, I noticed that. Get out of the dirt, you guys. What are you guys doing down there? It's not beer drinking time yet. And then the power cord for that's way the hell over there. Might as well get these overloads the fuck out of here. This is only going to take a second. Because it ain't going to take a second. Got a kink on it or something? Oh yeah. Got a kink in the tip? Jammed it against something. Oh, it's still not going to push out. Okay. There. Now we're done. Thor, you had to see me do that with my welder wire. But that's not the correct way to do it. I didn't have a cutter over here, and I wasn't about to get up because I'm under my truck. There, that looks a lot better. What's with all the damn racket of the shitty ass fucking sounds? Okay. You still there? Okay. See? Made the rivet better. Then I got pizza I gotta eat. Not by much. Have a good one, even though it's been cutting off. So, that's that. I got literally that fucking drill bit, like, boom, right into my shoulder. Probably got a welt right there, right into my trap. If you watch these, like I said, stub shaft coming in for the drive shaft. It's long, very fucking long. I made sure that I got a Y2K 200 stub shaft. I had to buy it off of eBay. And, like, literally the places that were selling those didn't have any, and somebody on eBay had one, and he was even trying to give me a deal for $80 for it, and either way I still am paying 1111 for it. So I might have to order the end. I do have a 16 spline for Dana 44. I'm going to use a 1310 U-joint on the axle because that's what's on the yoke on the axle is a 1310. I'm only going to use that temporary and probably go to 1410s on it. So I just got to get it through winter. You know what I mean? Until, you know what I mean? Until I like, the whole axle is going to be completely rebuilt, literally. ARB air locker, I got the 35 stubs for it. I probably do I think there's dogs running around again. I might do lockouts temporary too, 35 stub or 35 spline lockouts if I can find them cheap enough. The drive shaft's the more important thing, literally. And then taking this piece of shit off there, that piece of shit right there, and making it so my brakes work correctly, because the rear brakes don't work correctly with that thing on there. So I literally have to change that, and then that mount right there has to be cut and welded, and I gotta make it so that's further over, because that's the problem with off-road design, is they sell you a brake line kit in the rear is normally shorter for some stupid fucking reason. I don't understand why they do that. And this is for a 14 bolt. You can see the way it's prevent line. So that's just some of the things. I might do a short with me fixing that door hinge if I have enough daylight. Gotta still get the door open and look at it. And then cut pieces, I think, weld it, and then cut pieces to reinforce it so I can continue to open it. I should just buy a door handle kit or find another door altogether for it, but they open and they close. Yeah, I probably should really get different doors because I did put a new handle on it in it, and as soon as I shut the fucker, it blew the fucking handle right back out of it. It's like, you cocksucker. So what you got to do is you got to use the key to unlock it, and then you got to get a fucking screwdriver in there. You can hit on it with a screwdriver all day long, but if you don't got the key in it and turned, it ain't gonna fucking unlock. But anyway, I got fucking mosquitoes up in my face. 2, you have a good one. I don't know if I'll do the short for the door hinge today or maybe even tomorrow. I really don't want to haul this crap out tomorrow. The other day I did it, and as soon as I started welding, it's like downpouring. So I was like in a panic to get the goddamn welder back in the house. It's like, oh shit, I just got the fucker working again. So, like, subscribe. I don't know how well this is coming in. To me, I see myself clear as day. It looks perfect on my end, but when I go back and record or go back and review it, it is all distorted. It has nothing to do with my phone. It is literally something on YouTube's end, like literally, like something bad. And I'm almost ready to start recording and then uploading, and that takes like hours to do a long hour, like an hour long upload. If you can understand it might take me all day to upload that. I was doing half an hour ones, and literally it was taking like 12 hours just to upload it. But have a good one.